Matt, you are the compassionate one, and that is a key ingredient of marriage. Anna, you have passion as well, and shared interests with Matt. Marriage is to belong to each other, that you are better together than apart, a combination of each of your values. That's what makes love and today so magical.
Anastasiya Matthew, you accept me for everything that I am. In the face of my flaws, I cannot tell you what the future holds for us, but I promise to never stop trying to make you laugh, to always comfort you when you're scared. I will cherish every day I have with you until my last breath. You are my best friend, and it is my honor to have you as my wife.
I love you more than words can say. I love you because you make me laugh every day. I love you because you make me want to be the best version of myself. I promise to love you in good times and in bad, with all that I am, in the only way I know how, completely and forever. I, Anastasiya Matthew, choose you, Matt Gross, to be my husband.
I, Matthew Gross, choose you, Anastasiya Matthew, to be my wife.
We live together and laugh together.
To fill your heart and feed your soul.
To always seek out the best in you.
To support you whenever I can as we grow old.
Always loving you with all my heart until the end of our forever.
Maddie, you may kiss your bride.
Matt, you're a lucky man. Anna is beautiful, super smart, she's kind, and she's willing to grow with you. Anna, I see the way he treats you, always making sure you're taken care of. I love you both, and I look forward to a lifetime of happiness as family and as best friend.
Matthew, I want you to know that my sister loves you more than anything in the world. Trust me, she wouldn't be marrying you if she would. I'm proud to welcome you and your family to our family.